Imagine never needing reading glasses again. Just a single drop in your eyes, and you can see up close clearly for up to 10 hours. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's now a reality, and it's FDA approved. In a groundbreaking move, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has just approved a new prescription eye drop called Vizz, developed by pharmaceutical company Vizz. This treatment promises to help people struggling with presbyopia, also known as age-related blurry near vision, ditch their reading glasses or contact lenses, at least temporarily. Presbyopia is a super common condition. If you're over 40, you probably know the struggle. Holding books or your phone farther away, zooming in text, or reaching for those reading glasses. That's presbyopia, the natural loss of near vision as the eye's lens stiffens with age. More than 1.8 billion people worldwide are affected. So how does Vizz fix this? The drops contain a chemical called aceclidine, which creates a pinhole effect in the eye. Think of it like a camera lens narrowing its aperture. This sharpens close-up vision without messing up your distance vision. And here's the best part. One dose can last up to 10 hours. Unlike older eye drops that tried to zoom in by working the eye's focusing muscles, often causing side effects like brow heaviness or blurred distance vision, Vizz works more cleanly. The company claims fewer downsides and a more natural experience. Of course, it's not perfect. The FDA warns that users may temporarily experience dim vision, especially in low light, so you probably shouldn't drive at night after using it. During clinical trials, about 20% reported mild eye irritation and 13% reported headaches. In very rare cases, retinal tears or detachments were noted in people with pre-existing retinal disease. According to Dr. Mark Blumenstein, a clinical investigator on the project, this FDA approval marks a disruptive paradigm shift for millions struggling with presbyopia. He believes Vizz could quickly become the new standard of care for near vision problems. The drops are expected to hit U.S. pharmacies by October this year. As for Canada and other countries, no official approval yet, but Vizz is working with European company Thea to roll it out internationally. So what do you think? Would you swap your reading glasses for a daily eye drop? Or do the side effects make you hesitate? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on breakthrough medical innovations.